Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you wanted to help support this channel, it won't cost you anything. All you gotta do is use the links in the description if you want to get some of these for yourself. Hey, what's going on? Rich back with another awesome video for you. Sorry I've been away for a while. Been super busy. Got a new PC, had to do a build on that. Making videos coming out soon. I ended up getting these. They're twin tone trumpets, which means one of them plays at 400 hertz, one of them plays at 500 hertz. The frequencies mixing between the two of them, you're getting a nice bass tone and a little bit of a higher mid-range. It's a really great set. I've had these hella in my trucks, in my cars. They basically give you different connectors to go with different vehicles. So if you have a Toyota, they give you this type connector. If you have a Ford, they give you the other Ford type connector. Chevy, Chrysler, you know, whatever brand you have, Volkswagen, they make it for a lot of different car companies. It's not a big deal if you can't get it for your car company. All you do is take the wires, snip the ends off, and I like to solder everything. But if you don't want to solder it and you don't, if you don't have a soldering iron, you could always cut the ends off of the wire and crimp it. This is what they look like. So basically all you're doing, you're unbolting the ones from the factory with the bolt that holds them in, and then you're plugging them in. They're plug and play. You don't really have to do any kind of cutting or splicing or wiring or anything. These were what your factory plugs look like. You just unplug them and plug them in. That's it. So let's get the factory ones out and put these in. Get the front bumper loosened. I'm not going to show you how to take off the whole front bumper because you don't have to for this car. You know, every vehicle is going to be different. There's one right here, and that bolt right there is the 12mm bolt that's holding the right horn on. The left one is a little bit lower down there. It's right where my finger is pointing. Just got a 1/4" ratchet with a 12mm socket, and you should be able to take these off. Here is the factory horn, and here is the one on the right I'm going to replace it with. So all you have to do is just match up the holes, line them up the same way it was. Always want to make sure the horn is facing down because you don't want to get water or moisture into this. If it's facing up, water or moisture could go down into it and ruin the horn. So always make sure when you mount these, it's facing down. The other advantage to that is when it blows the horn and the sound hits the ground, it's going to disperse and bounce off the ground, so it's going to give you a lot better sound. It's about the same exact size and everything. The only difference is the horn is facing down. And that's it. While I have it off the car, I figure I'll show you really quickly. This is what the back of it looks like. It hangs down slightly lower, but the cool thing is, as you can see, the factory plugs are going to be exactly the same. Quick test of what this thing sounds like with the horn in the car. This is with all the windows rolled up. This is the stock horn. There's a quick beep, and there's a long beep. We got the hella horns installed. We are ready to go. With the windows up, and I'm gonna roll the windows down in the front and let you see what it sounds like with the windows down. This is the stock horn with the windows down. There you go. So that's what it sounds like with the windows down. As you can see, these are an enormous improvement over the factory horns. They're going to be able to alert drivers. They're going to sound better. And in case you have an animal or something that runs out in front of the car, it's definitely going to be able to let them know there's a car coming. So thanks so much for watching. I really hope this video helped you out. In case you wanted to get a pair of these for yourself, I'm going to leave some links down in the description. And if you can, make sure to click that like button, subscribe to my channel for more awesome content, and let me know if you have any questions or comments in the section down below. Thanks so much for watching. Take care.